Welcome everyone, this is Dr. Priyadashni. Today we are going to learn the topic primary impression techniques in complete denture. So this is not like an audio lecture like staff teaching and students taking notes, not like that. This will be like fatafat, like friend teaching to another friend before going to the exam hall, like that. So I have taken very few important points from Swami in this topic. So let's get started. So there are totally 5 types of impression techniques in complete denture, primary impression techniques. So namely mucostatic, mucocompressor, selective pressure, myostatic and dynamic impression making technique. So first of all, mucostatic. Mucostatic was given by Richardson and Henry Page. So they derived this technique from Pascal's law, with reference to Pascal's law. Like during school days, our science teacher used to demonstrate in water in the water bottle, whatever the force is, but due to the pressure, when we put holes and the water will leak through the holes with equal pressure. So like that, they say that take a large tray and put the impression material. So here the confined liquid is the oral tissue and the impression material. So they used a low viscous impression material and they placed it in the patient's mouth, and they said that okay, give a slight pressure. With that pressure itself, the impression material will flow all over the area. So that is all. They said that this is the primary impression. Okay, so this is the impression. So this was the thing when they were there. After the studies and some researchers have done, so they said that okay, this technique, no, it has a very advantage. They said that okay, retention is pakka, no resorption after no residual resorption, no RR. They said that pakka retention but they found disadvantages also. They said that this impression technique doesn't have stability at all. When patient does any action, then the denture starts to artifact like this. So there is no stability. After them, Carol James came. He said that so okay, so what is the thing? Pressure is the thing. No, I will give pakka pressure. I will make nalla alut tallu and madri. He said that. So he named it mucocompressor technique. Like that. He said that okay, take the impression tray, put the viscoelastic material, put nalla alut. He said that two ways we can do. Open mouth technique, closed mouth technique. Closed mouth technique, he said that make an occlusion rim in the impression tray itself, let the patient bite how forcefully they want, whatever comb they have, let them bite, he said. But in open mouth technique, he said that okay, if you want to give the pressure, no need if the patient is not giving that much pressure, then you itself give the pressure, use the finger, then give the pressure, he said. So this denture, no, it has pakka stability. Everyone were like awesome, stability, where level. But problem came. They said that, what is the problem? There is no retention. When patient is talking while talking or while chewing, due to muscle action, the denture it automatically fell down. So then only Boucher came. He is the dawn in complete denture. Wherever you go, Boucher, there will be no place without Boucher. So he said that okay, you have retention, you have stability, I am going to combine both of you. He said that okay, anatomical landmarks. And he said that okay, these are the stress bearing area, these are relieving area. I am going to give pressure on the stress bearing area and I am going to relieve this area under. So put the wax on the relieving area. Then this guy only introduced the custom tray. So custom tray, ella patient ku tani tray, he said okay, custom tray paniyachu, wax potachu, relieving area kuttachu. Okay, then selective pressure. He used materials like zinc oxide eugenol or putty material like thing. So he used this and impression was made. After that, a wash impression was made for 0.25 mm, like that. A wash impression was made. So this is for selective pressure technique. Then another guy, his name is John P. Fletcher. He said that okay, okay, but I am doing bioprosthetic system. I need a better. So he said that I am going to do border molding. Okay, Boucher, I am going to trim this custom tray for 2 mm. I am going to do border molding. I am going to record all the muscle actions. Then I will follow your method itself. This is the method itself, he said. Okay, he only introduced border molding to us. He said that okay, if you want if you are so lazy, do it in single stretch itself, record all the muscle action, but read properly the procedures, then do. If you want segmental also, read the procedures properly, then you do. Like that he said. So what our colleges have done now, they have combined selective pressure and this guy's myostatic. they said that okay, you make custom tray for each patient, you do the relieving area, you do everything. Also, you reduce 2 mm in the custom tray and do the border molding for proper retention and everything. So that thing only we are anubhavicifying now in our colleges. So this is our part. And dynamic impression. Dynamic impression was given by, who is that guy? Charles. Charles is very he is a very advanced guy. He uses new technology and all. So due to advancement, he used autopolymerizing resins, PMMA. He said that why one time edukkarnala there will be no okay, one time edukkarnala there are more consequences. Let the patient wear it for 3 weeks. PMMA, autopolymerizing resins, they will take 3 weeks for a complete set. Let the patient wear it as a temporary denture itself. Do whatever action he wanted. Let the denture record all those actions. Pakka fit aidum. Then we will make an actual denture and give it to them. He said said like that. So this is 5 types of impression taking in. Primary impression taking in complete denture. So what are they? Mucostatic given by Richardson and who is that guy? Henry Page. And mucocompressive given by Carol James. And selective pressure technique, our Taliban Boucher, he gave that. And after that, myostatic impression given by John P. Fresher, and dynamic impression given by that guy Charles. So mucostatic, no pressure, very slight pressure, very big impression material, low viscoelastic, very big impression tray, low viscoelastic material, slight pressure. Advantages, pakka retention but no stability at all. Then mucocompressive, did I say mucostatic first? I forgot. Okay, that is for mucostatic and now it is for mucocompressive. So mucocompressive, this guy said okay, I'm going to give pressure all over the area, and the results were like no retention at all but pakka stability. And our Taliban Boucher came, he said that okay, I combine both of you and I will give you. So he said that I will relieve stress bearing, I will relieve the relieving area and I will give pressure on the stress bearing area. So I am going to make custom tray for each and every patient. Like that he said that, and he did that. After that, okay, no disadvantages are but good, no disadvantages, very slight only. We need to read the procedure properly and we need to do the thing. So likewise, myostatic also, he said that okay, I need muscle action very properly, I need so I am going to do border molding, I am going to reduce the custom tray to 2 mm. So border molding is done, I am using green stick compound or whatever putty material or something I am going to use. I am going to do the border molding, PPS area, record everything. So muscle action is recorded, and after that I follow you. That is what we are doing. So in our colleges we are combined both selective pressure and myostatic impressions. After that, dynamic, they said put acrylic resin in patient mouth, leave it for 3 weeks, let them eat, do, speak, whatever, bite, everything they do, everything will be recorded. Then after 3 weeks, we will make the denture and give it to them. So this is primary impression techniques in complete denture. So the lab procedure are not important for theory. Then for final years and everyone, this is enough. But for me, preparing students, like where we are for flabby tissues, we use selective pressure or we use mucostatic. For normal ridges, we may use mucocompressor, but it is not advised or it is not practiced in reality. So that is all for impression techniques in complete denture, primary impression techniques in complete denture. Thank you.